Hello, nice to see you. Welcome. Hope you're having a good Sunday. Elijah says, I'm from Zimbabwe studying medical analytics and informatics in uni. Nice. Nice. So I'm sure it has different names, but here in the US, we would call that the bioinformatics field. Huge field, guys. Lots of opportunities in bioinformatics. So I actually have a couple of clients that work in that field. Very interesting type of work, and it's a lot more diverse than you think it is, right? Most people think, oh, it just means working with patient records, but there's a lot of data in that world, a lot of data. So yeah, Elijah, thanks for being here. I'm glad it's your first time. Thanks for stepping up and introducing yourself. Always cool to see new people coming in. All right, guys. So before we do the lightning round, I just want to remind you, I'm a big fan of this book, Make Your Own Neural Network by Tariq Rashid. Please go out and get this book. It really changed my perspective on neural networks, really helped move me forward. I pull a lot of information from this book, but I'm trying to be intellectually honest and tell you that I'm building upon his work. I am using some charts from the book, but I'm trying to add my own original take on it. Either way, I recommend that you go out and get this book. It'll really help you, guaranteed. Starry Vibes, our good friend Starry Vibes says, hello, sir. I hope you're doing well. Doing very well, Starry Vibes. How are you? Hope you're doing well out there with your studies and all that. So let us know how you're doing, Starry Vibes. Okay, so Tariq Rashid book, highly recommended. All right, what I want to do is I want to go straight into audience participation. So these four portions or four groups of data of the world of data science, they're out of order. In previous lessons, I presented to you the order in which I think a data science progression naturally follows. Whether you're studying, whether you're learning data science, or whether you're conducting a study, right? There's kind of a natural progression in order. I've had this slide before, but these are out of order. So from 1 through, so give me in the chat, give me your order in how these different phases of data science should be ordered. What should go first? What should go second? What should go third? What should go fourth? And you can think about it in your own learning progression, right? Maybe like what your school taught you or where you're at in your learning. It's up to you. But go ahead and tell me in the chat. And if you're too shy, you can always just say, oh, I agree with so-and-so, or maybe just give the ones that you do know. You don't have to know all four. But let me know. These are out of order. What is the order that they should be in? Go ahead and put your answers in the chat, okay? Starry Vibe says, good, sir. Thanks for asking. Good. Glad to hear it, Starry Vibes. Glad that you're well.